At some point in the process of redemption, countries must reach a point of closure, which enables them to move on. The need to repent for past actions at some point has to be supplemented by assuming a role in international affairs in which the lessons learned and the responsibility accepted are translated into advocacy for a just world order based on human rights. Israel has as yet to begin the process of redemption, of taking responsibility for its own terrible destruction of Palestinian society and its ongoing occupation. On the contrary, Israel is still in a folkish mode of trying to impose an exclusively Jewish state over the entire land of Israel, Palestine. These are ongoing crimes, ongoing today, of ethnic cleansing, occupation, warfare, and oppression, for which we Israelis are also going to have to seek redemption. So I would say my reframing as an Israeli Jew striving for a just peace between ourselves and the Palestinians, and for the German people are to some degree similar. If Germany has truly a special relationship with Israel, based not only on the Holocaust, but on having a failed experience with a folkish model, which Israel is attempting to impose on Palestine, and if Germany has genuinely supplanted that violent tribal model by a multicultural democracy committed to human rights, then Germany is uniquely placed to help wean Israel from its own folkish ideology and the occupation that is a result of that ideology into a place more in keeping with the values of a post-Holocaust world of human rights. This again would bring Germany to true closure by enabling Israel to enter onto the path of peace and reconciliation. This is truly a Kantian version. So I think to put together Germany's need for closure, and as a part of that need for closure, to take a positive and critical role in resolving the Israel-Palestine conflict, I think would allow both societies to move forward while freeing the Palestinians of the injustice that they're burdened with. And you know, the title of Avraham Burg's latest book, Burg is a former Speaker of the Parliament and a former head of the Jewish Agency, is entitled, "The Holocaust is Over, We Must Rise from Its Ashes." So I think that, that this is a vision that we have to all share. Germany and Israel are very intimately linked, obviously, but Germany has got to develop a more critical, rational, moral, special relationship with Israel, and not the one that we've had until now. So I thank you very much for the award. I think it's going to measurably contribute to our work for justice, and thank you very much. I'm sorry if I went on too long.